Hello everyone, hello YouTube. Why should you have 10% of your portfolio in cash? Yes, cash is trash according to a lot of people, but I believe that cash can be king during times when stocks and cryptos and investments go down, because your cash now can buy a lot more for less. So cash is king sometimes, and during times when stock and crypto prices go down, you want to have cash. Now, why do I hold about 10% of my portfolio in cash? Well, some people think that you need to have about 2 to 5%, and that's it, that you shouldn't have more than 5% in cash ever. Now, I personally disagree with that, because when we are at all-time highs, you should be basically taking profit and selling, so that way you have cash. So when after we're at all-time highs, obviously we go down a little bit and you can buy more. So me personally, I have never been someone that has only had 5% in cash, because I think that's too low. So personally, I go for more of a 10%, 15, sometimes even 20 to 30% in cash. But right now, as I'm recording this video, it's more closer to 10%. So you watching right now, yes, all of you watching, you need to have at least, please, at least 5% of your total portfolio in cash, because you never know what's going to happen to the stock market, to cryptos, to your investments, and you need to have cash. This is also separate from a rainy day fund. We all know how you should have a rainy day fund for at least a few months. So that way, if you lose a job or anything happens, you can pay your bills. That's different than what I'm speaking about with my 10%. So you need to have 10% of your total investment portfolio put aside, at least 5 to 10%. So that way, you protect yourself. A lot of people are expecting that this year is going to be extremely volatile with the presidential elections, with wars around the world, with so many different things. People think a black swan event is coming. So let's say that they're right, and a black swan event does come and everything crashes. Well, guess what? You're going to wish you had more cash, so that way you can buy more at a lower price. So that's why you should have cash on the side. Now, also, this does not mean that you should sell your total portfolio and then just only have cash, because if we keep going up and up and up, you also want to make money with your investment. So it's a very easy, very simple principle that you need to follow to make a lot of money in investing and in trading, and in anything. You always want to have some cash on the side. So that's why I say 10%, at least 5 to 10%. And sometimes it could be a little bit more. Sometimes, honestly, I don't think you should ever go all in. Some people literally put every single penny that they have into a certain crypto or stock, and sometimes it makes them millionaires, but sometimes they lose everything. And I personally have lost everything doing that multiple times. So that's why I don't go all in anymore in anything. Okay, I'm always diversified. I try to play my bet smart. I wait, I'm patient, and I have cash on the side.